Hello, my name is Nandan Tanti Ramadhani. I'm from class 2C and I will talk about a story I have read. The story is called A Christmas Carol, which is written by Charles Dickens. Alright, first of all, let's talk about the summary of the story first. I will tell you some of what happened in the story. Alright. Once upon a time, there is a man who is called Mr. Scrooge. Mr. Scrooge is someone who is selfish, unfriendly, and also did not cherish or did not believe in Christmas is magic. He is someone who is rude to everyone, he is not friendly with everyone, never be kind, even when there is a charity, he never gave them the money, even though he is someone who is very rich, and by doing the charity, he would never go poor, but he never did because he is just someone that's rude. Alright, one evening before the Christmas, a ghost of his ex-coworker goes to him and tell him that he can't be like that forever, being rude and all. He has to change for the better because that's how he had to. If he continue being rude and unfriendly, something bad will happen. But he's skeptic first because why would he listen to a ghost, right? But after that, there is three spirits who come to him. First of all, there is a spirit from the past, from the present, and also from the future. The three spirits made him realize that he is indeed wrong and he has to change for the better. Because those three spirits show him the experience that happened currently, in the past, and in the future. That's because he is being rude. It did not end well. He is someone who nobody even wants to remember because how rude he is. And by those spirits, he realized maybe I should become a better person. And it's not too late for me to become a better person. I could always change even when I'm already old and all. Alright, second of all, let's talk about the evolution of the story. Alright, the evolution of the story, that it's a very interesting story to read because it's a moral story that could help us change for the better. So we are always be kind to people, doing the charity, be friendly to all of our cousins, friends, and family. And also, it's an interesting story because even though it was written in the past or maybe a generation that's not us, but we could also relate to it in modern society, could relate to it because there are so many people who is also selfish, unfriendly, and by reading the story, those people could actually learn that it's never too late to change for the better. And the last one, let's talk about my personal response. I think I really like this story because this story makes me realize that it's never too late to become a better person, even though we are currently or maybe in the back of our day we are a really rude person, unfriendly and all, also stingy. We could always change for the better. It's never too late to change and to become a better person. It's really interesting to see that Mr. Scrooge could change even though he is a really bad person. And I think the ghosts represent the past, future, and also current. What happened currently is also interesting to read. Alright, and the last one, there is conclusion. The conclusion is it's a very interesting story, and what we could get from the story is that it's never too late to change for the better because it's always a good thing to change for the better. And it's a really good story because it's also pretty relatable in our current life, even though the story is actually old and was written many years ago. It could relatable to us. Up to become a better person, so our future will always be bright and people will remember us as a good person too, not like Mr. Scrooge before he changed for the better. So if we be kind to people, people will remember us as someone who is kind too. And that's all I could say about a text or a story I have read. Thank you so much.